you'll see lots of things that might scare you. I'm gonna pause the video into the parts. Then I don't like that. Good. Okay, there's also a very, very scary secret about me. I've been sick for over 3 years. I think it's just kicking in. I'm gonna pause it again. Okay, here's the fruit. It's not a lemon. It is actually not a lemon. It's not sour. It tastes like an orange. But it caused my fruit to, my throat to go sore. I don't want to eat it, but for your enjoyment of the video, yes, I will. I'm not actually scared about it. The taste is good. And if you were wondering what the skin... Oh yeah, and if you were wondering what the skin looks like, it looks like this. It is very, very lumpy. Very lumpy. The fruit is also very soft. I know you want to see me eating instead of that. I'll get that set up. Okay, .net. I don't know why I said that. I know about MC World. That's like this thing called. That's like about this thing called import, and you can like make a ward. From one of their earlier versions. By the way, how do you record and make it full screen when you're recording on there? Okay, please just let me know. I've never actually filmed a Minecraft PE video. And you're probably wondering why there have been no career videos. Well, there's a huge reason behind that. Okay, well, the Xbox broke down. So we have to use the old one, which screen is actually green. And it makes this loud sound. But that's the only way that I can use any of my Xbox games. by the way, when you let me know, I hope it's in the comments because I can't actually read the notification box since I don't have a PC or any type of computer. Which makes me really sad, and I don't even know how I did that chat thing. I don't even remember. And the only way that I can react to your things is through Google Plus. But sorry. We were actually just at a Mexican grocery store, and I had some leche ice cream. I don't think that it was leche, but it looked like it. And I had coconut ice cream before, and I thought that it was it, but nope, it was like some leche thing. Okay, I'm gonna end it at